The view's great. And we're playing with a brand new Meshtastic device. Maybe the best one yet. Hopefully we can get mesh core running on this soon too, but right now we're gonna play with it on Meshtastic and see how it does. It's probably the best Meshtastic device that I've found so far. It passed? All right, go ahead and replace the radio.
Yep. That sounds like a don't know your limits issue. We don't have a hockey rink around here. We do now. Go jump in the lake.
And there's my son, Devin, who's gonna climb all the way up there. Who's already way up there. And fix the access point that's malfunctioned on us.
Look at that. It's like one of the razors now coming up to shred up the road up here.
That's an interesting angle.
I don't know.